guys, what's up? Tia Mowry here. So I am really excited to introduce my YouTube channel, Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. We all have those little dilemmas in life that could use a fast and quick solution.
Any kid would love to have this. I mean, I would love to have this.
So whether it's a weeknight meal for picky eaters or organizational hacks to manage the clutter, simple beauty solutions for when we're running late,
Mommy, Mom.
and of course, easy ways to get more me time in our lives. So if you could use any of this advice, make sure you subscribe and I will hook you up each week with a quick fix that will solve your problem fast.
Amazing!